Hey friend, Brandon here. I'm recording this really quick and raw because I was just given a video of the first hands-on look of the Google Pixel 6 Pro. So let me show you it, but I want to let you know that this video is sponsored in part by Dbrand. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video and for supplying cases and skins. It'll be available for the Google Pixel 6, so click the link down below in the description. So this was given to me by one of the users in my This Is Tech Today Discord chat server, which there's a link for down below in the description as well. In it, you'll see that there's actually a kind of a unique logo that's on there. That means it's a production validation test, or PVT. It's kind of like this Pixel 2 prototype. This is not a PVT unit, but like a test design unit for an unreleased Pixel 2 that I have here. There's going to be a video about this one later on, but anyways, subscribe and hit the bell icon, I guess. It's kind of like a test to make sure that everything is the way it's supposed to be before they go into full-on production for the units that are sent out to you. With that said, I always want to leave room for possible changes that may come from, what we're seeing here. I want to honor what everyone at Google has been doing and leave room for maybe some changes to happen if it's there. I think this is the gray or slate model that's being released. Has that two-tone look there, the curved screen on it as well, and it's very glossy. Personally, I like the color scheme that you see in New York at the Google store. I really hope I get that one. I love the gold accents on that one, but this one has kind of the black accents on it. It looks really good, really high quality. I will say that the size of the Pixel 6 Pro is very similar to the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. It's just a little bit shorter than the S21 Ultra. You're just gonna have to trust me on that. On the front, you'll see the hole punch camera, and on the back, you'll see the three cameras, including the little rectangle for the telephoto camera. Also, I'm going to try to get more video and photos of the Google Pixel 6 Pro, this unit right here, and if I manage to do that, I'll post another update video. So I'd like to know, what do you think about the way that this Google Pixel 6 Pro PVT unit looks like? What do you think about the color, the finish, the curves of the screen, the size of it? I'd love to know. Leave a comment down below in the description. Make sure to join the This Is Tech Today Discord chat server in case we find more things, and go follow me on social media at This Is Tech Today, especially on Instagram and Twitter, where I'm posting updates. And don't forget, we have channel memberships enabled. You can click the join button down below. You get access to special emojis, and occasionally I have some things that I need to get rid of that I happen to have a whole bunch of things of. So, I like to get those off my hands. Anyways, thank you so much for watching This Is Tech Today. Until next time.